All right, guys, welcome back to Soai. And today we got our friend here, Empress Neesh. So the first time you were on the channel was when I'm doing the 100 Jamaican/Caribbean inspired food stuff. And I think it was probably like episode 18.
Yeah.
I'm at like almost episode 70. So it's been a while.
Wow, yes.
It's been almost a year. So long story short, we are now in Chinatown because we're gonna try some seafood boil. Never had seafood boil before.
No, first
Yeah.
time.
I'm not really an expert on it either. I've had it a couple times though. But we're in Chinatown and we're gonna stop by this place called Gao. I think it's called Gao Seafood and Crab, something of the sort. And we're hungry. We haven't eaten anything.
Right.
So we are ready to go. But it's super packed down here. And you said you've never been in this
No,
area
first
before?
time in
In
this
Flushing?
area. Very first time. Wow.
It might be my
It's like a
third
Manhattan,
time.
Chinatown.
Yep, definitely Chinatown. So I think we're going this way, over here. Oh my gosh, we are so excited to try this seafood. Oh my gosh.
Yes, I'm so excited. My very first time. So, like I told Soai, man, I didn't eat anything today.
So-
So I will be yummy.
Yes.
Okay?
In
So
her,
don't judge me, guys, please.
when she messaged me, she said, yo, I need more. I'm gonna come down my yard clothes. Which means she's willing to get dirty as she eats.
Of course. No stooshness.
No stooshness today.
While we wait, we need to eat something.
All right, so we're a little bit lost. I'm gonna put the Google map pin so that you guys can find it a little bit easier. But some of these spots have a bunch of just Chinese writing. So I'm not seeing the name, but Google says that we're here. I'm gonna keep looking though. And I'll drop that pin for you. This is it?
Yes.
Oh wow, it's actually next door. Great.
Literally.
It's literally next door. Hi, two, please. This is the seafood boil spot, right?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so we found it.
Let's go find it.
Yes, thank you. All right, so it was literally next door. I went into a store and asked where it was. So here we are. Okay, thank you. All right, so we're seated, we're comfortable, and you know we're gonna go on bad. We're gonna go on really bad. So when you come here, there is an introduction to this spot. We've never been here before, so we don't know what to expect. So we're gonna do the quick introduction to see how, stuff goes. And honestly, for me today, money's not even an objective. Whatever it costs, I'm not gonna spend it because I want everything that I'm craving for today.
I agree.
What you feel?
Same here.
Which seafood are you leaning more towards
All
today?
of them. Yes, all of them.
All right, so it's good. All right, so we're gonna call the guy and get this show on the road. Yeah, whenever you're ready. QR code, okay. Have to scan a QR code.
First, we have a free membership, and then just add card. And for the next time, you can use some points for exchange of dishes.
In a nutshell, it's just an app, and they have a free membership. There's a membership point system that every time you spend money, I think every dollar gives you a point or something to that effect. But basically the menu is on the app and you select everything and then it goes through and then you pay through the app, I would assume, and then you order through the app and everything.
Okay.
That's basically it. So the first thing we have here, guys, we have this seafood, like a shrimp balls, basically. And we have to get some for Neesh right now because Neesh are
Yes.
dead.
I am dead for hungry.
All right, so this is basically what we got so far. We're gonna see if this can, how much they're going to our
So
belly.
we have the fries here.
Mm-hmm.
So fries. This is how the fries look, guys. What it is? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's in there? Only shrimp? Or a mixture of
I think it's a mixture of.
seafood?
Mm-hmm.
Picture can go on still. Something I have to get used to.
It's not crispy.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm like, it's gonna taste crispy, but it's not.
Mm-mm.
哎，我教你，你还在那儿我不要。
It's almost gummy. For me, the fish balls though, I probably wouldn't order them again.
I don't like the texture.
Texture for me is a little bit different.
Soft.
But I'm hungry.
Crunchy would be good.
I agree. It's like the shrimp and the fish were like ground into a paste, and there's a bit of shrimp in there, so it's just the texture is different.
Yeah. Something you have to get used to. Oh, that's the one I feel. Something you have to get used to. Like, try this on ketchup. Not my favorite.
Mm-mm.
I think you can have the rest.
Me?
Eh?
This is the texture of it. What you see? It's very.
Let me see inside. Oh, wow.
It does not taste bad, but it seems like it's a shrimp.
Is it better when you rip it open or, you know, when you first put it in your mouth, it kind of like.
It's very gummy. It's like the shrimp was ground together, and now it's very pasty. It's like when you overcook shrimp, it has the same texture.
Right.
Pasty, almost rubbery.
Yeah.
The taste isn't bad.
Yeah, it tastes not bad.
Texture. All right, so I'm gonna put in the order, and
You didn't put it in?
no, I'm about to put it in now. We're gonna do 2 snow crab legs,
Okay.
and then because you're not so sure on the crawfish, if worst case scenario, let's about another
Most
one.
likely I'm gonna like it though.
So you think we should do 2?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do two of everything. So snow crab combo, and we're also doing 2 pounds of the crawfish combo, and we're doing French lemonade, fresh lemonade. Sorry, and that should be it. So right now the order's been submitted, and you can keep open running tab. Whenever you decide to clear it out, you clear it out at the end of it. So
I just had so much shrimp ball.
you have shrimp balls.
You didn't have what do you had? The shrimp circle.
I had
something.
shrimp circles, right? But honestly, for me, that was easily like a 3 out of 10. Like I did not like it. I'm certain it's probably like a Asian cuisine type thing, and we're not cultured that way. But yeah, if you're looking for something that was crispy and with like a shrimp butter, yeah, it's not it.
That's not the one.
The fries were good.
Looks good on the picture. It looks good when you look at it, but as far as the texture, it's no good.
Yeah, even
For me.
I think even the flavor would,
It could be better.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Could be better.
But that's not what we came here for. We came here for the seafood,
Yes.
and
Them better not mess
them better not mess with that. Oh yeah,
It better be worth
we
it.
were in the Bronx,
Yes.
and then we're like, you know what? Nah.
Let's go to Queens.
So
Fingers crossed, guys.
so we just got the cups, and the Caribbean in us spoke, which is like, could we carry this home? Because
I'm not sure.
I think we could carry this home because
Wow. Let's see. Okay, nice.
Strami.
You know what? This could be like you could take this to the gym or wherever.
I need a gym cup.
You do?
I do. Yeah, some of the teeth mine. Bun me. My definition of fresh lemonade is always different from the American version, but it tastes good.
This tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Okay. We're gonna try their lemonade, guys.
Put it down to the bottom and so. All the way down and so.
Hold on, this is strong.
Yeah.
All the way down. That's where the sweetness.
No, that's suck.
Okay.
You felt that?
Yeah. What's the name? The lychee or whatever?
Yeah, it's like a coconut lychee. Feel it?
Yeah.
Bad.
Nice. Wow. Okay. I like this.
This is actually good. This is solid. This is solid. A really
right
solid.
one.
Yeah, I think so.
The original probably wouldn't hit like this.
This is good. This is really good.
Wow. Listen, this full of sugar, I'm in a business.
Me rotted. Yes, Lord. Hallelujah. A bus a like a bus today. All right, so let's get to work. We got the scissors here to do the crab legs and stuff. Man, this is a lot of food.
Here,
So
gloves.
thank you so much. Protect ourselves. Protection is very important. Just sit down, your son. Just do what we do.
Yeah, I know. Last minute decision, you know, man.
Sure. So here we have the snow crab legs. We got eggs. We got head-on shrimp, lemon, and we have potatoes. This looks really good.
So we just should eat with the gloves, no fork, none
No
of them
fuck,
something.
no. Remember say you say no stush?
Two.
We're gonna eat like we did another way? Bush. And then here we have this big thing of just mussels, crawfish, corn.
Wow.
Bro, this
Wow.
feel like it's a good five. We have 2 pounds of crawfish in here, and bro, this is a good like 6 pounds of food.
I might have to bring some home.
How's the corn? Sorry, how's the egg? Sorry. Good? Okay, so here we have a potato. Try the sauce. I was saying to Neesh before that when you go to these Asian spots, you gotta be very careful with the spice because their spicy is spicy.
Yeah,
It's
real
not like American spicy. Their spicy is spicy.
Spicy and Scotch bonnet.
So this is mild. Hello. Here we have head-on shrimp. I could tell already that this shrimp is
I
cooked
come there, there's gonna be
properly.
a screenshot with me and you in a head.
No problem, I got you.
Wow. You enjoying it?
The last seafood spot that I went to, I told you that the sauce was a little bit salty. This one is
Just right.
just right. Just right.
Trust me. Even the drink is not too sweet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, wow.
I'm glad we come over to you. Oh my god.
It's our head, right? If I eat everything, I
Yeah.
push the whole thing in my mouth.
Uh,
What? That doesn't sound right.
I just had a guy moment. I'm sorry.
Try the egg, man. Another sauce.
I not really like egg like that, but I'm going to try it. Hey, listen, this. Come back now. Hey,
So much you like it? I want to try something with their noodles. I want to try one of them hot meal, like the steamy one. Wow. So you love the potato? Let's try that.
I kind of wish it was a little bit more, a little bit saltier. As in the potato by itself, it's kind of fresh inside. You need the sauce a lot.
Then
But
you can dip it.
yeah. So guys, remember I said Neesh not really verse on the crab eating some, so I forgot teach her.
Teach me now.
Ain't that already? And I'm not an expert on eating crabs either.
No. What's that one of the big things?
That is it.
Here, break this open.
Yeah. All right, Neesh must try when I egg them.
Dip it in the sauce. I'm glad you didn't pick like spicy.
What?
You know that?
I told you. I learned the hard way. But you see how I go on this snow crab leg? It's really fresh. So the trick that I learned to eat like the snow crab leg, usually I go here, pull that, and in the middle,
Break it.
I kind of snap it. And if it's done properly, most times you can pull it like this, see?
Okay.
Yeah, it comes right out like this. Bam. Yeah. So see, get a cleaner pull. So you learn crab namming fun. Again? I got you. What? What's that?
Alright, so
Yeah, I'm glad you can't eat seafood because before me I say, oh, I'll be a vegetable, I'm going to eat with Neesh.
Soai, you think I'm gonna grass me eat? This part is soft, you know?
Yeah. You hold it so
It's like this.
in the middle and you press it.
You break it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us if it's empty and not believe me. You see?
So I'm walk. You're right. Oh.
Wow, look at that. You gotta show that, eh?
See this, huh?
Yes. Hey. Wow. Nice.
No. So for your first seafood boil, would you say that it met your expectations based off everything you saw on social media? Or a little bit overrated?
Overrated, I think, but I am really enjoying this.
Got you.
You know what I mean? I am, for sure.
I think for me, seafood boils are good. They're nice,
Yeah.
but they're more theatrical than everything else. So you find like a lot of content creators doing it over and over and over and over with bigger and bigger shrimp, lobster and stuff like that. So I do understand like it's a little bit overrated to be honest, but is it good? Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
If you're a huge fan of seafood, definitely do a seafood boil. All right, I'm gonna swap this out for a second because I want to try.
You know,
the-
eat corn?
Huh?
I see it in the corn.
Oh, you're right.
Play with the corn.
Nice, fresh, juicy corn with that seasoning. Man, I tell you,
Lord have mercy.
this was a good corn. And the time now, it's minutes to 6 o'clock. We got here about 5 thereabout, and it wasn't that packed. Maybe it's a nighttime type
Yeah,
spot.
I think so.
Could be. So
I think so.
bear that in mind. There's a bunch of mussels in here. A lot of mussels. The mussels that we got is the green mussels. That's what we got. So we got some green mussels. Usually the black ones is a bit cheaper, but they didn't have that.
So you just basically take it out and eat it?
Yeah. It tastes exactly the same like the black ones.
Right. But them say muscles good for them.
No.
No.
It's an aphrodisiac. So anything you find a little limp wood man.
Just tell him to let go of seafood.
I feel greedy doing this because this is in itself as a meal. Okay, so this is what's really interesting me the most, the crawfish. I am a huge fan of crawfish. First time crawfish. We're gonna take somebody's crawfish virginity. Let's go. That's it.
It's my very first time eating it.
Very first time.
Wow. Kind of hard.
But you have crayfish in Jamaica, the same river crayfish, no? So how?
I never had shrimp in Jamaica. First time I eat shrimp before.
The father the Rasta? No? All right, so I'm not sure this is the right way, but how I normally do it,
Yeah.
I normally break these parts here. So like I kind of slit this here, Real Louisiana people eat it differently. And then the top and the bottom shell is gone. See? That's how I do it.
How the meat taste? It tastes like shrimp or they are different? You
I
can taste
thi-
the difference.
I think shrimp is a more flavorful meat,
Oh.
if you ask me. But then when that Louisiana or that southern season get in the crevices of this,
Oh, it's like crayfish at all. It's a whole bowl of crayfish, right?
2 pounds.
I think you want it.
You don't want it? Free that. Give me that one now.
Okay, hold on, I want to be.
Bump it out. Yo! Priya.
It tastes good?
Yeah, man.
I want to taste it, but boy, it's too much work.
When you try it with it. Alright, I'll do one for you. I'm not gonna tell you say I'm not gonna tell you say it's extra nice or whatever, but it.
I just want to taste
Yeah.
it. You know what it tastes.
Hold on.
Would you take them?
Hmm?
Would you take them? Would you take them?
Yeah, of course. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, it's
They
made
all
that.
taste alike.
What? You know, honestly, I've had better crayfish or crawfish, whatever you guys call them, here. But in terms of freshness, it is nice and fresh. This ones that we ordered, it cost maybe like $2 more because we chose the live crawfish. You could choose the frozen ones, but I don't like.
This one was alive.
These ones are live, so they cook them live, so you have a fresher texture. So in the bowl, what was your favorite thing so far?
Oh, Lord, help me.
Now tell me egg.
No. No, man. I like the crab and the shrimp.
Okay. I enjoy it because sometimes I get like crawfish
Yeah.
and then like the head, when you bite into it, it's bitter.
Oh.
This one was nice, creamy.
Oh. When you bite into it, they get no flavor. I love pepper, but no. Take me a break. That's how you're sorry. Happy a chat me have.
Well, Chacha, shall here I'm going to show you guys the message what Neesh sent me. Soai, I'm going to yam.
The full of chat and can't defend it.
Should I watch my name this today?
Hey! Kampe!
Kampai.
Kampe!
Kampai.
Kampe!
You belly look like a hill and gully right now. Alright guys, so we have to make a mad run out because guess what happened? We're under some form of a time constraint and my watch, I normally wear Apple Watch but today I wasn't, and I thought that I changed it from daylight saving time, so it's an hour behind, so you get the drift. So we had to wrap up the video. However, I rate that place is easily like I would say like an 8 out of 10. Overall, everything was pretty good. Neesh would like maybe a little bit more of a spice level, even though she did a cough. But yeah, I would say the mild spicy is good. You probably could go to spicy. Yeah, you guys knew my take on everything. Really enjoyed the experience. The bill came up to $230, which is more. I mean, there are around the city more budget seafood spots, but we did get two different things.
Yes.
We did get two different
We
things.
ordered 2 meals each, basically. Right?
Basically, yeah, 2 meals each. So I would say if you go there and order one thing, you're probably spending about like $80, give or take. So yeah, wasn't bad. All right, until the next time we link up with Neesh, Boy, Neesh, if you can't bring your belly, you know.
May I tell you?
So we're gonna figure something out.
When
Okay.
we hang out with you, man, me have to really bring the belly. Me not lie. Me I get used to it.
Where do you think we're going to go to next?
I don't know.
Not seafood. You can eat chicken?
No. Stop eating chicken.
Chaja. So grass again?
No grass, but no man. I mean, we can. Where are you thinking about?
We'll figure it out. Probably another seafood
Somewhere
spot.
good.
But not
different. I want to go somewhere
different.
You know what I mean? A different culture. I don't know.
Let me go into my little cubby hole of
I
different
want to eat with
restaurants.
my hands. No fork, no
Oh,
spoon.
you said you wanted African.
African.
Yes, you did say that. Let's figure it out. There might be something in the city for sure. Not might. There's definitely something African in the city. All right. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember to check out her channel. I'll have it linked in my description box. And remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep your lake.